Emmy girl.
Today, we're going to do CVC words. They're going to be easy 3-letter words. We have to match them to the picture, and then we have to draw in the picture, okay?
Yay!
It's going to be fun.
Yeah,
you ready?
It's going to be super fun, I think.
You got this. You got this.
Yeah, I got it.
All right, everyone. Welcome to our CVC words worksheet. It says, yes, I can write CVC words. Directions. Fill in the gaps and color the image using the word bank. So this is our word bank. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 words, and we have 9 pictures. So we need to figure out what these pictures are. We need to fill them in, and then we need to color in the pictures. So what we'll do first is we'll fill in everything, and then we'll go back and we'll color it all in, okay?
Okay.
So what's this a picture of? What's the first one?
A rat.
Right. All right. How about you take a colorful one? Take this blue one, and when you find the word, you cross it out with the blue one, and then you use your pencil to write in what the pictures are. So this is a rat. Can you find the word rat up here?
Sun.
That's
no.
not it.
Gum. No, that's not it.
That's not it.
Dog.
That's not a dog.
Sad.
That's not it.
That's not sad.
That's not sad.
Web.
That's not it.
Tag.
That's not it. We're almost there. Keep going. Do you guys see it? Bed? It's not a bed.
I said that. Rat. Oh, this is it.
That's it. Bingo. We went through all of them and it took long and then we found it. Rat. Okay, so we crossed it out. Gad, write in the word rat right here, okay? Good job. All right, 8 more to go. That was fun. All right, so guys, if you guys see it before we do, make sure you shout out the answer. Shout it out, shout it out, shout it out. What is this?
Sad.
So
I saw it.
You saw it already?
Yes.
Good, I'm glad we went through all of them. Go ahead, cross it out. And how do you spell sad?
S.
A. D. Sad. Good job. Backwards.
I am sad just like you.
No, I'm happy. What is this a picture of?
It's a sentence.
That is a good sentence, you're right. What is that a picture of?
Van.
Okay.
Oh, it's right here.
You see it because it starts with a V and you know that?
Yeah, and I know what A-N makes Ann.
Ann. Good job. So write it in, van.
Like Ann.
Yup. Can is C-A-N. Van is V-A-N. Good job.
V-A-N.
Good. What's this a picture of?
Sun. It was...
How do you spell sun? Teach me. Teach me how to spell sun. S. U. N. So your U goes like this, and then the line goes on this side, okay?
Okay.
The line doesn't go on this side. The line goes towards your right hand. And then the same thing with the base of the N. So I'm going to cross this out, and I'm going to rewrite this, okay? So you have an S like this, a U, you go down, and then the base of the N starts here, and then you curve out to the right too. If you look at here, you see the base is here, and then you curve out to the right, okay? All right, what is this a picture of?
A tag.
A tag, good job. Can you find a tag? And then teach me how to spell tag. T-A, good job.
G.
What is that a picture of?
A bed.
Where do you find a bed? Good job. How do you spell bed?
B.
Yep. Correct. Correctamundo.
E. D.
Good job. Can you make the D a little bit higher? The line on the D a little higher? Good job. Bed. All right, 3 more, guys. What is this? Do they know? What is that?
Gum.
Gum? Can you find gum?
So easy. We don't even need this.
Is that gum?
Yeah.
Read that.
Gum.
Oh, that's not gum. Where's gum?
Gum.
Good job. That's what happens when you rush sometimes. You get it wrong. That's okay. G. Gum.
Dog.
Okay, so we found dog. Good job.
D.
How do you spell it? D. You went to go make a B, right? And you messed up. That's okay. So D. Good job. O.
O. G.
Sometimes we have to go back. We've been learning and we've been working on a little bit harder worksheets in this. Sometimes it's good to go back to the basics, Emmy girl, and just Remember what we learned so you don't forget it.
Web.
Web. Last
What?
one is web.
And B.
Good job. Go ahead. Your B's and your D's. You're still getting confused. That's okay. We'll keep practicing. I hope you guys had fun, and I hope you guys found it. We'll color them in, and then we'll finish the worksheet, okay? You want to color them in?
Yeah! Bye.